Kim's Kitchen, bringing you easy ways to grow, harvest, and prepare delicious foods from your own backyard.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen, and today I am on my HelloFresh and I am going to be making this homestyle chicken biscuit pot pie. So I have my chicken already sauteing. I'm getting ready to add the vegetables to it once the chicken browns and cooks down a little bit. And then I am going to add all of my other ingredients so they can cook. As you see, I've already chopped up my carrots, my onions, my celery, my garlic, and my thyme. So the biscuits are already in the pan, ready to bake. And basically what I'll do is cook all the food, and then I'll put those biscuits on the top of the chicken and the vegetables, and I'll bake it in the oven. Okay, I'll be back. So there's the chicken sauteing. I added my special seasonings as always. Little crushed red, adobo, rosemary, celery, definitely my garlic sea salt, and you know what it is, parsley, absolutely. These are the vegetables that are already chopped up and are ready to go in the pan in about another 5 or 6 minutes once the chicken is completely done. So for those of you who know about HelloFresh, or for those of you who don't know about HelloFresh, it's this package box that they give you. You get to select certain meals, and then they send you the recipe with all the ingredients inside the bag. And then I just use the bag to put my vegetables or waste in. But let me just tell you what was in here. There were 2 carrots, 3 small stalks of strawberries, of celery, a yellow onion, cloves, thyme, chicken breast strips, which are cooking now, and then a little packs of flour, I guess, so you can have the thickening, the chicken stock, 2 packs of the chicken stock, and then we've got some cream cheese. They always send cream cheese. I guess that helps with the thickening and make sure it's really creamy. And then 6, they say 6 on here, but there were 5 buttermilk biscuits, and I did not eat one. All right, so that's what we got going on. This is what it's supposed to look like. You know, I always do something different with mine because based upon the taste that I have. But yeah, and all you need is a peeler, some paper towels, some salt, some pepper, some cooking oil, some butter, and a bowl. The preparation is like 10 minutes, and then the cook time is 50 minutes, and it's like 780 calories. So that's a pretty decent sized calorie for a bowl full of home-style chicken and biscuits. Chicken is finished. I transferred it to a different bowl. Now I have the vegetables. So take a look. Going to get them nice and brown and not too soft, but make them a little more tender because they're pretty crisp right now. And just depending on what you like in your chicken pot pie, I mean, you can add some other vegetables if you like. I don't know what else you would want in that, but you can add whatever you like. Potato, if you're interested in having a little potato, because I usually do like potato for mine. I don't necessarily have one cut, but I could actually boil one really quick and then just add it to the mixture when it's done. Okay, so the vegetables are finished, and to do was add some peas, corn, carrots, and string beans. Peas, corn, and extra carrots, and some string beans. The broth is cooking, and then I made a potato, and I'm chopping them up into just larger pieces, and then just going to go ahead and put it in the broth. The broth is thickening, and then we'll mix everything together. And if I turn the camera around, then you will call me eating a potato. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so now I have my baking pan spread out. As you see, like I said, I added potato, and I just cut them pretty large because potatoes kind of break up, and I did it in a quick microwave potato, so I didn't cook it completely through, but that's what we have going on here. The broth is almost done. The chicken is inside that broth, and I'll add a little more thickening, and we'll go from there. Then I'll put on my biscuit. Here's the final. Now I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'll get back to you and let you know how it tastes. Okay, guys. Here is the finished product. There it is. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? There's those biscuits right on top. And let's dig in and check it out. Yeah, that looks yummy, doesn't it? And here is what HelloFresh said theirs will look like. Did you see how they have all those extra biscuits? They didn't send me all those biscuits. But nonetheless, this is mine and I'm pretty proud of it. Well, I am going to taste it and I'll let you know how it tastes. And thank you for stopping by my kitchen. Okay, here we go. It's still pretty hot, but I've got the carrots, the peas, I've got all the veggies, a little bit of chicken, and a small piece of the biscuit. And let's see. Pretty good. Delicious. I think after it sits and gets a little thicker, it'll be even better. But actually, everything tastes delicious. Okay, guys, thanks again.
312728. She carefully watches everything in her household and suffers nothing from laziness. Her children rise up and call her blessed. Her husband also. He praises her.